शुक्रारा एमपीटीत कोळसो हाताळपाच्या संदर्भातल्या जनसुचोवणेचो तिसरो दीस तणावान गेलो। जनतेन मांडिल्ल्या प्रश्नांचेर एमपीटी प्राधिकरणाक उत्तर दिवपाक अपेस आयले। जनसुचोवणेक हजर आशिल्ली जनता तशेंच एक्टिविस्ट राजकारणी बरेच तापिल्ले। आरडीएक्स गो खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Has to be sit there over. Target. The chairman has to be here. Yes, chairman yes, yes, yes. Telling lies to public. Why the chairman is not come here? Why the okay, chairman fine. Why deputy chairman is not come?
Chief engineer.
You give a proper answer to the people of Vasco here.
Chief engineer. अरे बाबा तुमका पगार मेळटा तो बसपाक आमका मेळना कामाक
you should advise them. Advise them because you are a chairman. You tell them because
traveling allowed सुद्धा असेल तुमका.
You also need a proper answer, yes or no? Correct, no? They should answer properly. Give the record properly. Just something else is there. It is like a paste copy here.
Yesterday the chief engineer was here. She was signed both the documents. At least she should have been there. Why she left the proceedings yesterday halfway and gone? Is there no sense of responsibility?
Yes, yes.
Yes, for the public. It is a public sector undertaking. Our Honorable Prime Minister has repeatedly said that public sector undertaking should behave in a proper way in the interest of the people of India and not for private and vested interests. You are letting down the Honorable Prime Minister by your attitude.
And तुम्ही म्हणता की larger vessels have to be served at the port. However, a very big factor for MPT's growth is doubling of South-Western Railway network, which is presently choked. आता तुमचो प्रोजेक्ट जर फक्त ड्रेजिंग तुम्ही साउथ सेंट्रल रेल्वेचो उल्लेख कित्याक करता आणि कोलाचो उल्लेख कित्याक करता? So that means all these three projects are interlinked.
आम्ही एमपीटीसून येयले, आम्ही बर्थ नंबर फिशिंग जेटी मानताय ताका लागून सर्वे करपाक येयलो। जेन्ना आमी एनजीटीन गेले 2016 आनी ड्रेजिंगाचेर उपोस कालो सांगमेडा खबर ना ओल्ड क्रॉस फिशिंग केनो ओनर्स कोऑपरेटिव सोसायटी आहा आनी ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन खाऱ्यावाड्यार आहाय आनी एमपीटीकूय एमपीटी फकत भोंवताले बोट ओनर्स। जेन्ना आमी एनजीटीन गेले तेन्ना एमपीटीचे आनी वास्कोचे आमदाराचे दोळे उगडले आनी तांकां कळलें की वास्को खारेवाड्यार ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन आहाय